In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a QR code for your website completely for free. So let's jump into it. So I used this website here called QR Code Monkey. So what you need to do is go to a search engine and just type in QR Code Monkey. Now, once you've done that, it should appear here and you can go ahead and click on it. Now, there are many other websites you can use. I just use this one. Now, what you need to do now is find the URL of your website. So I'm going to grab the URL of my website here, knowledgebasetutorials.com. We can then go ahead and paste that in here. Right, so now we've done that, we can now customize the colors. So if you click on the colors, you can customize the foreground and background, as well as if you go to customize design, you can customize the shape. So let's change it to this, and you can go ahead and change all of this stuff if you wanted to. If you just need a simple QR code though, just leave it on default and scale this quality all the way to high quality, then create your QR code. Now that will create your QR code based on the URL that you entered here. You can then click download PNG. It will generate your QR code, and then in a second it will download it. So there you go, it's now downloaded that QR code, and you can use this on your designs or print it off.